Hey there, food lovers! We created the coolest Rocky Road freezer pie ever. Imagine a pie that's crunchy, chewy, and chocolatey. Each bite is an adventure with gooey marshmallows, rich chocolate, and your favorite mix-ins. The best part? Every forkful delivers a symphony of flavors. Sweet, nutty, creamy, and slightly salty from those toasted almonds. Get ready for a delightful adventure where stress melts away and creamy chocolate goodness shines. This fun treat is a joy to make and enjoy. Let's create sweet memories together. Every masterpiece starts with the right ingredients, so let's get organized. Before we dive into the magic of baking, it's essential to lay out everything you'll need. This not only saves time, but also ensures you don't miss a single step along the way. For the crust, you'll need 24 chocolate sandwich cookies. Yes, filling and all. These cookies are the secret to a rich, chocolatey base that holds everything together and adds a delightful crunch to every bite. Next, grab 5 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. This will help bind the cookie crumbs, giving your crust the perfect texture. Neither too crumbly nor too hard. For the filling, gather a 10-ounce bag of mini marshmallows, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and a 1/4 cup of milk. The marshmallows will melt down to create a fluffy, chewy layer, while the butter and milk add creaminess and help everything blend smoothly. For the chocolatey goodness, you'll need a 12-ounce bag of semi-sweet chocolate chips. These chips melt into the filling, giving it that irresistible, decadent flavor that makes Rocky Road so special. And for the all-important crunch, measure out 1 cup of toasted, chopped almonds. Toasting the almonds brings out their nutty aroma and adds a satisfying texture to every bite. That's it. Just a handful of simple ingredients, but each one plays a crucial role in building layers of flavor and texture. The cookies create a rich, crunchy base that's the foundation of our dessert. The marshmallows melt into a fluffy, chewy filling, while the chocolate chips add a deep, decadent richness. And don't forget the toasted almonds. They bring a toasty, nutty crunch that makes every bite exciting. Before you start, double-check your pantry and measure everything out. This step is called mise en place, and it's a baker's best friend. Having all your ingredients prepped and ready makes the process smooth, stress-free, and a lot more fun. It also helps you stay focused and enjoy the creative process. Ready to get started? The crust is calling your name. Let's press those cookies and make the perfect base for our Rocky Road pie. With everything in place, you're set to make some kitchen magic. Let's get baking and turn these simple ingredients into a show-stopping dessert. Let's crush it, literally. We're starting with the very essence of our pie, the chocolate cookie crust. This is where the magic begins, setting the stage for a dessert that's both delicious and visually stunning. The crust is our pie's foundation. It's the base that holds everything together, providing a rich, chocolatey flavor that complements the filling perfectly. Use a food processor or a zip-top bag and rolling pin to crush the cookies into fine crumbs. This step is crucial for achieving the perfect texture, smooth and even, ensuring every bite is a delight. Pour the crumbs into a bowl and mix in the melted butter until they resemble wet sand. The butter not only binds the crumbs, but also adds a luscious richness that enhances the chocolate flavor. Press the mixture firmly into a 9-inch pie plate, covering the bottom and sides. This ensures a sturdy crust that won't crumble when you slice into it. No need to grease. The butter does the work. It acts as a natural non-stick agent, making sure your crust stays intact and easy to remove from the plate. Pack it tight for a sturdy, delicious base. A well-packed crust is key to supporting the layers of filling that will follow, ensuring each slice holds its shape beautifully. Pop the crust into the freezer for 10-15 minutes to set. This quick chill helps the butter firm up, solidifying the crust and making it ready for the next step. This step is quick, fun, and sets the stage for our amazing filling. It's a moment to enjoy the process and anticipate the deliciousness to come. Smell that chocolatey goodness? That's happiness. The aroma of chocolate is inviting and comforting, a promise of the delightful dessert that awaits. Our foundation is ready. Let's move on. With the crust set, we're prepared to add the next layer of flavor and texture. The next layer is where the magic happens. Our marshmallow filling is about to transform this simple crust into a masterpiece. Get ready for marshmallow heaven. Onward. The fluffy, sweet filling will elevate our pie to new heights, creating a dessert that's both indulgent and unforgettable. Time for the heart of our pie, the marshmallow cloud. In a large saucepan over low heat, combine the mini marshmallows, 2 tablespoons butter, and a 1/4 cup of milk. Stir constantly until the marshmallows melt into a smooth, glossy mixture. Keep the heat low and be patient. No burnt marshmallows here. Once smooth, turn off the heat. Work quickly. The mixture will start to set as it cools. This fluffy, chewy base is what makes Rocky Road so iconic. Take a moment to admire your gooey creation. The next step? Chocolate. You're halfway to dessert greatness. Let's keep the momentum going. Ready for the chocolate swirl? Let's do it. Prepare for a delectable delight. It's time to indulge in some luscious chocolate. With your marshmallow mixture still warm, add the chocolate chips. Let them sit for 30 seconds to soften, then gently fold. Don't overmix. You want swirls and pockets of chocolate, not a uniform blend. Next, add the toasted almonds and fold just a couple more times. The goal, a lumpy, bumpy, marbled mixture with visible chocolate and nuts. This is the Rocky Road magic. Texture and flavor in every bite. Don't overwork it. Rustic is perfect. Your filling is ready for the crust. It's time to unite our efforts and make it all happen. Let's come together and create something amazing. Get excited. It's assembly time. Let's make it a memorable experience. Grab your chilled crust from the freezer. Pour the marshmallow, chocolate, and almond mixture into the crust. Use a spatula to spread it evenly. Don't press too hard, just guide it into place. Create rustic swirls or peaks on top for that homemade look. Want extra flair? Sprinkle on more marshmallows, almonds, or a drizzle of chocolate. This is your signature touch. Make it yours. The pie looks incredible and is almost ready for its final transformation. Take a moment to admire your work. You've built a masterpiece. Now just one more step before you can dig in. Let's get this pie ready for the freezer. Great job. The hardest part, waiting. Cover your pie gently with plastic wrap or foil to protect it from freezer smells and ice crystals. Place it on a flat surface in your freezer. Let it chill for at least 4 hours. Overnight is even better. This sets the filling and makes slicing a breeze. Use this time to clean up, relax, or dream about that first bite. The anticipation is part of the fun. Don't peek. Let the freezer work its magic. Soon, you'll have a perfectly set, sliceable pie. The chill factor is real. Almost there. The wait is over. Time to serve. Remove the pie from the freezer and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. For clean slices, dip a sharp knife in hot water and wipe dry between cuts. Slice through the crunchy crust and chewy filling. Listen for that satisfying sound. Use a pie server to lift out the first piece and admire the layers. Serve as is, or add whipped cream, a drizzle of chocolate, or even a scoop of ice cream. However you serve it, get ready for rave reviews. This pie is a showstopper, and you made it. Savor every bite. The textures and flavors are unbeatable. You've earned this moment. Share with friends or family and watch the smiles appear. Enjoy your masterpiece. You did it. Congratulations, you did it! From simple ingredients to a stunning Rocky Road freezer pie, be proud. We hope you had fun and feel inspired to keep creating. Share your pie photos on social media and tag us. You can even share in the comments below. We'd love to see your spin. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit that like and subscribe to our channel for more delicious ideas. Don't forget to ring the notification bell for more sweet treats heading your way. Your support means the world and helps us bring you more fun recipes. Thank you for watching and joining us today. Remember, the best ingredient is always a little love and a lot of fun. So keep experimenting and making sweet memories. Until next time, happy baking.